In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your Nintendo Switch 2. Step 1. Backup important data. Save your data to the cloud or a micro SD card if possible. Factory reset will erase all your data and settings. Step 2. Go to your system settings. From the home menu, select System Settings. This is the gear icon. Then scroll down to System. Step 3. Select Formatting Options. In the System menu, select Formatting Options. Then click on Choose Restore Factory Settings. Then step 4. Confirm your reset. Read the warnings carefully. Enter your PIN if prompted and confirm that you actually want to proceed. Step 5. Wait for your completion. The console will restart and erase all your data. When finished, the initial setup screen will appear. And that is how you reset your Nintendo Switch. Keep in mind to only do this when you actually want to. That's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments and I will be glad to help you.